how the YouTube algorithm works and how you can use it to make money. If you have an internet connection, chances are that you've been watching a video at some point. YouTube is the second most popular search engine in the US, with over 1 billion users every month. It's also the world's largest search engine for video content. In this video, we'll go through how to use your knowledge of how YouTube works to make money off it by generating results which will rank high on future searches. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and check out the links in the description for more information. The YouTube algorithm. The YouTube algorithm is a complex system that takes into account many different factors to determine what videos to show users. While the algorithm is constantly changing, there are some key things you can do to ensure your videos are being seen by as many people as possible. First, it's important to understand how the algorithm works. YouTube's algorithms look at both engagement signals and content signals when determining what videos to surface for users. Engagement signals include things like how long someone watches a video, whether they comment on it or share it with their friends. Content signals include things like the video's title, description, tags, and category. You can use this information to your advantage by ensuring your videos have engaging titles and descriptions, and using relevant tags and keywords. In addition, YouTube gives preference to videos that are fresh, meaning they were recently uploaded, so be sure to upload new videos regularly. Finally, one of the best ways to get more views on your videos is by promoting them through social media and other channels. The more people who see your video, the more likely it is that YouTube will surface it for others. By following these tips, you can give your videos the best chance of being seen by as many people as possible. And with more views comes more opportunities for monetization through advertising revenue or sponsorships. So if you want to make money on YouTube, start by making sure your videos are optimized. How to grow your channel on YouTube. If you're looking to grow your YouTube channel, there are a few things you can do to give yourself a boost. First and foremost, produce quality content that people will want to watch. The better your videos are, the more likely people are to watch them and subscribe to your channel. In addition to producing great content, you can also use YouTube's algorithm to your advantage. YouTube wants people to keep watching videos on their site, so they tend to promote channels and videos that keep viewers engaged. If you can get people to watch your videos all the way through and even click on some of the ads, YouTube will take notice and start promoting your channel more. Of course, growing a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort, but if you put in the work it can be a great way to make money online. Use these tips to give yourself a boost and start growing your channel today.